have an intro. No, I just say hi guys, welcome back to the channel. That's my intro. Rate my intro below in the comments.
Guys, I'm at Astha's house. We've reunited after a long time.
Yeah, and we're gossiping about Splitsvilla.
Riya's gotten a haircut and it's looking too fire. I love it.
Actually, it's irritating me a little bit because it's coming
What's
my
that?
eyes. But I don't. It's
It's
cute.
looking nice.
It's worth.
Wait, can we get one
Jigar
more
is
lighting?
calling. Arey, bhai.
Wait, can I get it?
Aisa, what angle is this?
How to do? Make a good angle.
सारे काम मैं ही करूं।
She says you're only sitting chatting and abusing you men.
What I was saying is,
Yeah, what are we doing?
We are naming the things that we find attractive in men.
Okay.
Like something they do,
We
something
were
they
gonna
wear.
chat GPT it now.
No, you
Cut this
you-
out.
नहीं
Colors.
They need to know because we weren't getting they were getting stressed about making this. So I was like, we can chat GPT and see what chat GPT says.
Why she took my phone away?
No, because first you have to say khud ke man se.
Abbe? Okay.
I'll give you examples.
Give.
Like I'll tell mine little bit, okay?
so yeah, be in the frame.
Okay, but I really like when boys are sensitive and like emotional.
You have to say
about
something
stuff.
offbeat. You can't say something
Yeah.
that all girls
Okay,
like about
I
men.
like boys who remember small things about their girls.
I like boys who smell good and give flowers on Valentine's Day.
What rubbish you
No.
अच्छा ठीक है कुछ अलग
Something
बता दियो
different.
यार.
Yeah, something different.
something controversial.
Yeah, something that other people wouldn't. A hot take. Hot take.
Like
Fuck.
Splitsvilla.
Okay, let's just chat GPT then.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है
So nice guy.
A guy with self.
What do you like about a guy? Nice. He has to be nice.
Fuck this, bro. Bye.
I would like a boy who has a stand for himself and me for anything.
Sounding
Like
like a real
Texas-
Splitsville. Take a stand for me. no.
Because 2 hours we've just spoken
about
about
Splitsvilla,
Splitsvilla.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what's our take on Splitsvilla?
Hello. It's like so close to my heart.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल
Talk today only. The
Doesn't complain about a girl putting lip balm.
What do you mean?
Like I feel like boys don't really like this
That's
sunscreen,
true.
lip balm and all. Like from my personal experience, I always like take it off, you know. But I
Yeah.
feel like if a boy is like, oh, that lip balm looks nice, or your makeup looks good today, or give me sunscreen, I want to put. I think that would.
Oh
be
yeah, I like it when they're like, oh, I forgot my sunscreen. That's so cute.
Yeah,
Or
that's so cute.
I forgot my sunscreen. Like,
Or like,
very-
what did you use today? Tell me.
Lollipop.
I have one. So if a girl is like emotionally like expressing herself, then the guy shouldn't always like take it as a personal attack. Like sometimes it could just be
Yeah.
a good listener.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
agree.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's right.
I mean that should be a bare minimum, but men have just not.
Men
done
are not
it
able
yet.
to listen.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
get it.
Yeah.
I
Everything is like an attack on
Or
them.
like with us basically. तुम ये cut कर देना.
Oh shit, here we go again.
अब मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है. You go पीछे ना then.
Yeah, go back.
Okay, I'll go back.
No, yeah.
Okay, fine. So she said her thing. I said my thing.
You
Now
say.
you say your thing.
I said na.
कब हो गया ये
Some sensitive
listener,
sensitive
no listener,
you said.
some-
They have to be a little low key, but they have to care about how they look and what they wear.
I love a boy that doesn't care. Like
How he
just,
dresses.
No,
like
but
he
like,
just shows up.
you know,
like,
you say
you
that-
dress up, I'll be there. I like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, but
vibe.
also like just care about how you're looking.
Good hot take.
Hot take.
Hot
Yeah,
take.
hot. That's a hot take. Actually.
No, I like when guys at least like dress chill but well.
Fair. I agree. Chill but
Yeah.
well is okay.
Like
Yeah.
imagine you being like, oh, he doesn't care what I wear, and he's just gonna show up, and
Yeah.
he shows up like looking,
Terrible.
yeah.
Yeah, that's concerning. That would be. But you know what? I feel like guys that look like they put effort into their outfit and all. Like I'm not saying this for an influencer. I'm saying this for a regular guy. It's not their job. Okay. When they take mirror selfies and all, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like if you're doing it and you're making money out of it, understandable.
Yeah.
But if you're just doing it because you like taking a mirror selfie, that's a concern. You shouldn't like taking a selfie.
I feel like we'll get a lot of hate on it, but
I just say all this on the pod all the time, so it's okay.
Oh, okay.
It's quite
Do you
like
get hate?
I get lots of hate.
Chal,
Everyone hates me.
Okay, don't hate her on this video, please. Actually, we'll say more things that'll aggravate the hate.
Yeah, they'll get irritated.
Okay, what's your take? What's your take on dating a creator and an actor?
I feel like I need to be the main character in my relationship. Like I'm not able to share the attention
Yeah.
with someone else. Like I need to be. Yeah.
No, but I get it. I'm not saying I want to be the main character, but I want to feel like I'm admired.
I know. I get that.
And if the boy is also admiring himself, then
wha-
when do you
yeah.
get the time to admire
And then,
me?
like,
what is your take on dating?
I have no take only on dating. What?
Influencer.
I have no take only.
No, but you can
But
say it.
no,
Yeah,
but
it
I
can be a good
understand.
take.
No, but I understand this. Like when the guy just admires himself, he probably doesn't like give full attention. Not even
Yeah.
full, like even
Yeah.
part of it is not given to the girl because he's constantly looking at himself in the mirror that if he's looking perfect, but actually it should be like when the girl is kind of like, oh fuck, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I feel
But
like
yours
this
is
is
like-
but I feel like Dharma has ruined it for us by like overdoing it. Like I'm saying
Yeah,
Dharma
no,
like
overdoing
Yeah,
it.
or
yeah,
any
yeah,
production, yeah.
Yeah.
Not
But,
every
like,
single time, but
yeah.
Yeah.
But because you know,
Girls
in my
like
previous
that.
relationships, I have almost like over expected
Hmm.
and
No,
been
but
like,
girls-
why
I don't
aren't you
think-
reacting
no.
like that?
I don't think we are over expecting. I
Girls-
think
girls
But
boys
in
are
this
under
relationship,
delivering.
I have gotten it, so I wasn't over it.
Fair.
girls like being complimented.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you need to express, like that's
Yeah.
all. Like
I agree,
You need to
yeah.
express.
And like it's sad.
Yeah, all of us just was like so sad. We were like,
Like if
You need to express, yeah.
if we go somewhere, like somewhere pretty, like I don't want the guy to be like, "Are you
Take my
of me?"
pictures.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fuck off. I'm
Yeah.
not taking of
Yeah.
you. Take of me. We haven't even said what we have.
Yeah.
What do you
Okay,
find?
what do you think about like? Do you like clean shave, stubble?
I like beard.
A beard.
I used
I
to
like
love,
stubble.
You know what? Can I say this? So initially in my relationship, I used to be like, please shave, please shave, please shave. Then I used to be like, no, keep very little. And I'm like, grow it out. Like I feel like I've grown up, and with
Oh,
that
that's
my
so cute. Yeah.
thing is
But I feel
changing.
no, but I also feel that depends on the person you're dating. Like I used
I
to
agree.
like beard, but like now I don't like.
Now you like clean shave. I think it's who you're dating. Also.
Yeah.
She's right.
Yeah.
How they look good. Like if
Yeah.
your boy looks a little stupid without a beard, then shave it, bro. Then don't shave it, sorry.
Shave it, bro.
Then don't.
Shave it, bro. Look stupid, bro. Look stupid. Yeah, but I like stubble in general.
I don't know how you're gonna edit this.
The way you type, your side profile, adjusting your watch, the focused side.
I don't care about all this.
Yeah,
Driving
same.
properly. I mean, yeah, please drive properly.
Please,
Oh.
I
yeah.
just get triggered when he doesn't wear a seatbelt.
I get triggered when he fights with everyone on the road. Like, bro, for everything, how can you have the road rage?
I think I am that person.
The road
Because
rage?
no, not every day, but if I'm enjoying my music and if you come in the middle and like give me a look, then I'm just like I want to take badla.
Yeah. No, I don't have the guts to take
You're
badla.
so my friend type.
That
No, but
time-
sometimes it has happened that I'm driving, someone's giving me gali from this from the opposite end of the signal, and they're like, "What is it?" And I'm just like dancing it off, and I'm telling them also to dance.
You know what I don't like? When I'm driving, I love listening to music. In general,
I
I
love
love
music.
listening. Like when I'm
Yeah.
going down, I just have AirPods on or something. So when like I'm driving, the music is on full, okay? And now my like a very good part of the song is coming, okay? And if
someone
someone
starts
wants to say something, they reduce the volume to 2, say it, and then after 1 minute the song is over, they increase the volume. I get so irritated.
But what else to
This
do?
is so weird.
Then,
Yeah, this is a
and
weird.
I even get triggered when someone like if someone knows I'm driving to their house, calling every 10. Hey, where have you reached now?
Yeah, that's
Hey,
that's
where
a
have
problem because I'm listening to music, so that's a
Bro,
problem.
and then I
Okay,
don't
sorry,
like-
this is me.
And I do this. I get very scared to actually pick up the phone also, you know,
While
while I'm
driving.
driving. So
Fair.
it's just like
That's a you problem.
I
Every
call
that's
it.
a fattu problem.
Eh, but
Everyone
it's not connected to your car system. CarPlay.
You can't press a button.
no,
and,
no, but I've actually become a fattu like post my that.
Oh yeah,
Fair,
yeah,
fair,
yeah.
fair.
Okay, then you're a
That's okay.
valid fattu.
Yeah, valid.
Yeah, I'm a
for-
valid
yeah.
fattu.
Like this.
Oh,
one.
we can give friendship icks,
Let's give any.
relationship icks.
Yeah.
Yeah, friendship icks. I have
Let's
many.
give. Say. Start.
Thinking, yeah.
She's telling us also and
Yeah, this
possibly
is
in
for
this
us.
No,
yeah.
you know who I thought of to give friendship icks?
Yes, not problematic.
Okay, I have a friendship ick. I think again y'all will say
Bro,
this is
bro,
okay.
cut this.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले
Ick for me is when
When you tell to reach at 2 o'clock but you end up reaching at 4 p.m.
That's actually a big problem for me.
same.
I actually really don't like it
I
because
hate when people reach
not
so late.
not in a way that you're not respecting time and all.
you and I always reach late.
No, like
No,
at
yeah,
events
not-
and all
yeah.
it's fine. Like,
Yeah.
but my problem
yeah,
is
but
if
lunch and dinner, no.
Yeah. True. To wait for hours. is
yeah,
true,
like,
yeah.
and it's not just that I respect your time. That's why I'm coming on time.
Yeah.
It's just that I also know that you have somewhere else to be in 2 hours. So we have utna hi
Limited time together.
true.
Yeah, true.
Correct.
So I
That's
feel
right.
like
That's right.
yeah, that's a valid ick.
I got a good ick from chat, and also something that I agree with is I'm the main character energy 24/7. Like every time you meet, that person only talks about them.
Are you talking about me?
I know about me.
Are you talking about
I'm talking
Ria.
about who you
Ria.
think.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like every time it can't be about you. Everyone has a life, and sometimes someone's issue is a little more dire than yours, and sometimes yours is a little more dire. But every single time if you talk about your trip, your boyfriend, your life, your success, your priorities, a bit like we know.
Okay, समझ गए.
What is this, bro? I don't like this.
At least act like you care. Even if you don't care, at least pretend like someone else's life
Kanchi,
matters.
she's talking
No,
about
but you know,
Kanchi bhai wala.
Kanchi, what is this, bro? Kanchi, yeah.
This
Kanchi,
Kanchi Nation after
Kanchi
all
also
like
knows
this.
who we
We're
are
talking about all of them. They only talk about themselves.
Oh,
Selfish
God.
content creators.
Do you think people will actually pick up who we're talking about?
I don't know. I don't think. In the pod they picked up, huh? Everyone commented.
What if by mistake
Fuck you.
I'm like the Riri of Akanksha.
I'll be Susanna.
No.
Really?
Sorry.
Bad guy.
I'll be zero accountability. I think is for any human, like not just friends.
Like except if you fuck up, I feel.
Yeah.
Copy paste personality.
I also like it, and it's also in like adult friendships only, wherein people are more what do you call it?
Forthcoming.
Yeah, like
Or they
can
give you more
talk about
space.
the problem.
Oh yeah, true.
Like if I did something, even if it's very small, you can just say it and I can just tell you why it happened, and that's fine.
Yeah.
Like
it's not the
earlier,
end of the
even I
world.
wouldn't bring it up, but now I'm more confrontational. That was the word I
Yeah,
was looking for.
that's true. I actually don't know how I feel about confrontation.
Not like big. You don't
But
have
a
to have
small
a big
thing.
fight, but
Yeah.
like a small
Like, what do you feel?
thing.
Like being able to talk about it and then letting it go.
But we haven't had any.
No, but I am
Because
straight
no one
up.
cares so much. Like it's
No,
all like
but-
you
no,
know
but
you
if
don't
I-
mean badly.
If I don't like something, then I won't like keep it
Yeah.
in my head for like 3
You'll
weeks.
say it
I'll
and
immediately
everything.
text like, Vanshi is supposed to come somewhere and she
Yeah,
didn't
that's
come.
what I was gonna bring
So
up.
I
Why?
texted. I just texted.
I told her I'll come, and then I didn't come at all. I was gonna come for an event.
And then no,
she
and then
texted me that I thought you were coming and I wanted you to come. And
Because I was
liked
leaving.
that.
I was
I was
leaving
also
for
like,
Italy.
she cares about
I was leaving for Italy.
So you
that's
wanted to
why-
meet her once
Yeah,
before.
and I thought
Fair.
she was chilling with her boyfriend since
Where
2-3
were you?
days.
I didn't come at all.
She didn't
to-
come in.
Oh, she didn't come to town.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like I was like, oh.
And I just said that.
She wanted to meet me.
Yeah, I was like, hey, I felt bad that you didn't come.
That's actually quite cute, I feel.
Yeah, but imagine Astha telling you I felt bad.
Yeah.
I shat my pants. First I went to the washroom, shat my pants, and then I realized I was like, sorry भाई मैं आई नहीं.
और फिर जैसे ही लैंड हुई 1 घंटे में देवशी घर पे
आ
थी.
गई.
Redemption. That's what you call redemption.
Yeah.
True
And
friendship.
I was on my first day of my period.
Yeah.
And you still came.
Yeah, I took medicine.
That really does like
and
matter.
again I'm on my first day.
Why you only meeting on the first? Because now if you upload this and you say what date it was shot on, then everyone will know what date your period comes. Right?
You know,
18th
this will be uploaded on the 3rd month of my period now. 5th month.
No, we are shooting it in May, guys. It's gonna be uploaded in like December.
Guys,
for
give
sure.
some ideas what to do for my birthday.
Why is this a podcast?
Yeah, this is no like this. No, there's no topic to it. Discussion with Aksha and Priya.
Guys,
discussion.
come talk with us.
Come talk. Girl talk.
Is there a cis code that exists?
Like cis code as in like you shouldn't date your friend's ex like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I to feel like ek to all of our types are so different that won't happen only.
So there's no.
No, not between us. Like in general, does
general.
it exist? Like, do you mind
I
if
think
your
there are two.
friend is dating your ex?
I wouldn't mind now. Like,
Yeah, even I wouldn't mind. I feel like I'm over all of my exes so much that nothing matters.
Yeah, like I wouldn't mind.
Like, please date whoever you want to date. They should be your problem.
Like, if you're happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're happy, it's fine.
If you're happy, then it's fine. See, this is what shows that you're a boomer, because you will just sit talking for no reason.
There was no context.
Clock it.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Clock it.
I'm not. What
And
have
if she
you
doesn't-
said?
if
But
she
we've not
doesn't-
said anything for me to upload. You can't follow up about this vlog at all.
We have said a lot of
We've
things.
said you can make a vlog easily. 5-6 minute ka vlog will come.
Yeah.
6 minutes will to come.
As if you're talking, she's a professional vlogger and she uploads only 20-minute ka videos.
No, I'm just saying. But in general, we have not spoken about one thing here.
We
No,
have.
Send this to me. I'll edit it for you.
Actually,
No.
I'll pay you.
मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है
You man.
She pays Ari to edit her videos.
To
What?
shoot my videos.
To shoot, I know. Yeah,
Yeah.
to shoot with you. Yeah.
So you will edit for me?
Fine, I'll do one for you.
मैं क्या करूँ फिर जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
Will you upload it?
I will. Obviously, I will.
Promise.
I'll take you out for lunch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Crazy, yeah.
Fine,
Take me
I'll edit
also.
it.
I won't do anything. I'll make a thumbnail.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, make that thumbnail.
Okay, I've just hired Astha and Riya.
to get this video up. So if you're like seeing it, say thank you.
Yeah.
Bro, you know even after that she won't upload
I
it.
know.
She'll
She
be
No,
like,
I will.
I know.
crazy.
She'll forget. She'll be
That
like, मैं सोच रही थी, मैं भूल गई. अभी next week ही करूँगी.
that day I was telling her, I was like, upload the video. I was like, how much is left to edit? She's like, it's edited. It's ready. I just have to upload it on YouTube. I'm like,
But I did.
what are you waiting
But
for?
I did nothing.
Did you? Okay, I'll watch it.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Bye bye.